Hi friends! Today we're going to level up your Memecoin game on Solana with PumpFun Sniper Bot. Insanely fast, smart, and honestly impressive. If you want to be first at launch, stick around. This will be quick, sharp, and useful. So, this is PumpFun Sniper Bot, the next evolution of what used to be called Solana Sniper. Right from the start, it blows you away. 100,000 plus successful trades. Solid, right? And the response time is under 10 millions. That means the bot catches new coins almost instantly. And here's another cool thing. PumpFun Sniper Bot has a referral program. Invite your friends and earn a share of their fees. It's a great way to make passive income just by doing what you do anyway, sharing a link. Plus, the site promises 24/7 support. Super important to know help is always available if something goes wrong. The launch bot button is already calling to be pressed. So let's do it right now. Imagine this, a coin just launched and you're already buying. The bot gives you advanced filters, automatic profit taking, and scam protection. Everything you need. A typical scenario. You set your profit target, entry, stop loss, and watch the bot do all the work for you. Ultra speed. Reaction time under 50 minutes, almost instant entry and exit. Advanced protection. AI algorithms analyze and filter out scam tokens and honeypots so you don't lose money on shady launches. Auto trading. You set mine and max amount, slippage, take profit, stop loss, and the bot executes everything automatically. Mobile interface. Manage trades on the go. Perfect when coins are flying and you're rushing on the subway. Now let's watch the bot in action. PumpFun Sniper Bot delivers speed, protection, and convenience you'll never get with manual trading at the launch of a fresh coin. But remember, automation is a tool, not a magic solution. Tell me in the comments, would you try auto-sniping or do you prefer to trade manually? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.